This session is designed to integrate everything you've learned from day 11 through day 15 because knowledge without integration fades, but embodied learning becomes permanent. Over the last several days, you've shifted how you relate to money, focus, discipline, time, and most importantly, trust in yourself. EFT tapping helps move these shifts out of the thinking mind and into the nervous system, where real change happens. EFT works by gently stimulating meridian points, energy pathways in the body used for thousands of years in Eastern medicine, while consciously acknowledging old patterns and introducing new truths. When the nervous system feels safe, the subconscious mind becomes receptive. That's why tapping is so powerful for stress, anxiety, self-doubt, and emotional blocks around money and identity. Today is not about forcing change, it's about allowing your system to let go of resistance and align with the version of you've been stepping into. Before we begin, sit comfortably with your feet on the ground, your spine tall but relaxed, and your shoulders soft. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. One more breath in and gently release. Now, let's begin the tapping sequence. As you tap, repeat the words after me, either out loud or quietly to yourself. You can tap on either side of the body or both sides. Meridians run on both sides, so choose what feels natural. So first point is the karate chop point. And repeat after me. Even though I've carried old beliefs about money, focus, and time, I choose to honor where I am and open myself to change. Even though part of me learned to doubt myself, I'm willing to release that pattern now. Even though growth has felt heavy at times, I choose to feel safe stepping into my new identity. Eyebrow. I've been holding onto old pressure around money and success. Side of eye. I learned to associate discipline with stress. Under eye. I've felt rushed, behind, or not doing enough. Under nose. Part of me didn't fully trust myself yet. Chin. I acknowledge these old patterns with compassion. Collarbone. I'm learning to relate to wealth with calm and clarity. Underarm. I allow focus to feel natural and grounded. Top of head. I choose discipline that feels aligned, not forced. Eyebrow again. I release the belief that time is working against me. Side of eye. I allow myself to move at the pace of integrity. Under eye. I trust myself to make clear decisions. Under nose. I trust myself to follow through. Chin. I trust myself to build momentum. Collarbone. I am becoming someone who feels safe in their authority. Underarm. I no longer need pressure to perform. Top of head. I embody calm confidence and self-trust now. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and slowly release through your mouth. One more breath in and release. Now gently close your eyes and visualize yourself operating from this new internal state, focused without strain, disciplined without force, wealthy in mindset, calm with time, and grounded in trust. See yourself making decisions clearly, honoring your time, and moving forward with quiet certainty. Let that version of you feel familiar. When you're ready, open your eyes. This integration is now part of you.